young with nothing to lose, just broken dreams and old tattoos. You said my name like it was home, now I say it here alone. Late night talks, the radio low, swore to God we never let go. But time pulled us apart so slow, I didn't see it till you were gone. I tried to be what you needed, but I was standing in your way. We love the same, but not the road. Same fire, different souls. I held on, you let go. We love the same, but not the road. Not the road. Not the road. Your pictures fade inside my phone. Different smile, different tone. You found a life I couldn't reach. I stayed behind with memories, family dreams, city lights. You chose your world, I chose mine. We said forever way too fast, like we could outrun the past. I gave you truth, I gave you pain. You gave me silence in return. We love the same, but not the road. Two hearts buried under hope. I stayed lost, you moved on. We love the same, but not the road. Not the road. Not the road. We tried, but lost control. Oh, same love, different road. Sometimes I hear you in a song, every word still feels so wrong. I wonder if you think of me, or if I'm just a memory. If I had changed, would you stay? If you stayed, would I fade away? We were fighting different wars, knocking on two different doors. If love was enough, you'd still be here. If truth was easy, I'd have no fear. We broke ourselves just to belong into worlds that felt so wrong. I don't blame you, I don't blame me.